This is Tim of AKCPorgies.com. Here we have, what color ID is this?
Pink.
Pink ID Girl from the 617 litter from Lady and Mickey. She's about 5 weeks old now. She has white on both sides of the muzzle, a little bit more white on the right side, a little bit of red on the left side. You can see that left side. Okay. She has a white face drop there on the muzzle that goes all the way back to the collar. And her collar, white collar goes all the way around her neck. And it's a pretty wide collar that gets really close to the ears. This is her puppy coat. Even on red corgis, their puppy coat has this peppering look. In the video before this, we were looking at the orange ID Girl. And orange and pink, their markings are almost identical. Except for on this one, her face drops almost center, maybe slightly to the right. While the other girl, hers was a little bit farther to the right, left. Alright, so this is Pink ID from the Lady and Mickey litter, born 617. Let's see your side again. Both sides again. Raise the camera up. Alright, the other side. Turn back.
Yep.
Right there's a little bit of white, but it's really far down the side. Once she's full grown, it'll probably just be red there. That white will probably be underneath. Short stomach. Yeah, corgis all have white stomachs. White stomachs and white lower feet. And that's why sometimes it kind of creeps up on the side.